So hi everyone, today I am going to discuss one of the Java 8 feature, that is method reference. Method reference enhance the code readability for a lambda expression, and it has four, four variants: reference to static method, second one is reference to an instance method, third one is reference to an instance method of an object of a particular type, and fourth one is reference to a constructor. So we will discuss the first one, reference to a static method, with the help of example. So reference to static method has a syntax containing class method name, and here is the list. It is a user list, and that list is getting iterated through stream, and filter is applied to that stream. So here, if you don't use method reference, the lambda expression will be like this. User demo is valid user pass. So this is the lambda expression, and this is without using method reference. So if you rewrite this lambda expression with the help of method reference, then it will look like this. The containing class is demo, double colon, is invalid. So containing class is demo. So which class contains this method? Demo contains this method. So containing class name and the method name. So after rewriting the previous lambda expression using the method reference, it looks like this. So demo double colon is invalid user. So if you notice, it is this method taking argument string. So you that passing argument to the method call can't be seen from the code, but it will be handled internally. So this code is much more informative than the previous lambda expression code. So this is about static method, reference to an static method. Now we will discuss about reference to an instance method. Reference to an instance method has a syntax containing instance and the method name. So containing instance here is we need to have a object of a instance method. So I have created an object of a demo class named as reference, and here is the instance method. So now reference, let me rewrite this first. String name reference is valid car name. So this is the original lambda expression without method reference feature. So there is a object, and object is calling instance method, and it is taking a argument parameter name of the car. If I rewrite this same lambda expression using method reference to an instance method, now it will look like this. A reference is right. So this is a reference to an instance method. So here also same, this method is taking argument string. That code can't be seen here, so that is handled internally by the JVM. So now this is also look much informative than the previous lambda expression. Now this is about reference to an instance method. Now we will go to the third variant, that is reference to an instance method of an object of a particular type. So it has a syntax containing type and the method name. Now the list which is streamed is of string type. Let me rewrite the is empty. So this is a lambda expression. So this lambda is having a string parameter that is being passed here. So if you look here, this is a string type, and method is instance method, not a static method. So here the lambda expression containing type is string, so I will write string here. And what is the method? Is empty. So this is not a static method I am calling, this is a instance method, and this is a containing type, that is string. So internally what it will do, so I will rewrite. Yeah, the original code will be like this. After rewriting this code with the help of method reference, then it will be look like this. So the containing type here is string, that's why that method is being called. So this is about reference to an instance method of an object of a particular type. Now we will discuss about a reference to constructor. So if you want to create a new object for a particular class, then this reference to a constructor will be helpful. So syntax for creating a object using method reference will be class name : new. So here I have a filter method and it has a lambda expression. It is checking if the string is equals to null, that object is being passed to the next method, that is map, and that object is getting initialized. So I will apply method reference here. Now then it will be become like this. So this is about reference to a constructor. So this is about method reference, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.